Hey Rockstars, we are putting the final touches on the video presenting the upcoming new program called The Path. And the reason I want to show this super quick video is not just to show you how we shoot stuff that you've seen before, but how resourceful sometimes we have to be. My darling Hannah, who is a very resourceful and clever stager, had to come up with a way to showcase all the books you're going to get with The Path. So these are the books, kind of a cool, nice, clean shot, right? You have The Path, this is the brand new book, The Expired Plus, Core Influence, FSBORINO, there's the Open House Plus, Video Plus, plus the Power Questions, all it's set up here. But because this is a brand new desk I just got, it's one of those hydraulic up and down desks, the surface you can ride on, which is cool, but the problem is it's slippery. So we had to get creative. Come on, let me show you behind the scenes. Come on, follow me. Careful here. Check this out. Looks pretty cool, right, from that side. Come over here. Let me show you how the magic was done. Come on.
You really want to spill all our secrets?
Absolutely.
Ta-da!
We figured that the toilet paper has enough adhesion, you know, it has enough roughness so that it wouldn't slide.
What do you mean roughness? It's the soft one.
It is a soft one, it holds pretty well. My point is this, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to achieve the shot or the goal you're after. I hope you enjoyed The Path, and I would like to help you, I would like to work with you on The Path. Thanks for watching, I'll talk to you soon.
May the toilet paper be with you.